Just buy some chicken back. Open it. Pretty right. So I buy 4 pounds, but I'm gonna take them full of this. So just wanted to show you how pretty it is and fresh.